Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Jeep key fob battery. Very common key fob used for different years, different models. The battery you will need is a CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. So first thing we do, we have to take the emergency key out. We do that by pulling this button to the left, okay, just like that, and take the key out. Once again, to the left, and the key comes out. Now we have a gap right here. Okay, what I do, I take the key, I put it, and I turn clockwise, okay, to open the key fob. Once again, just close it. Right here, this slot right here, and I turn clockwise. You can also use a screwdriver if it's a little bit hard to open, and then you make sure that everything is in place. Now we just have to take the battery out, and I take the flathead, and right here there is a spot. I take the battery, as I said, CR2032, you can see. Okay, this is a good battery, I will use it again. So see this part right here, this goes first, and then I just push. Okay, once again, button part first, and I push. Take the key fob, close it, put the emergency key back. No need to reprogram or anything like that. You're good to go. You're good to go. Let us know what you think. Thank you.